Hello children, how are you? Rivan, how are you? Are you okay? Mail, Eroy, Nirvana, are you okay? I miss you all. Did you miss me too? Wow, that's good to hear. Okay, today we are going to do a new lesson. But before doing that, we have to learn first, okay, children? Good, that's good to hear. I have my beautiful flashcard here. We are going to learn, okay? Good. Now, let us start. This one here. Have you seen? Have you seen? Wow. Let us start. Do, o, g. The word is dog. The word is what, children? Dog. Again, this one here is a picture of dog. Okay, children? Let us spell together. D, O, G. The word is dog. The word is dog. Good. And this one here, everyone say O, B. O, B. The word is cub. The word is cub. Okay, Rivan, the word is cub. Have you seen the picture of cub here? This one here is the picture of cub. Okay, children? Good. This one here. Who can spell this? Rosanna, you can spell this one? Can you spell? Good girl. Now let us spell together. Poo, O, poo. The word is pop. The word is what, children? Pop. Good. And this one here is the picture of pop. Okay, children? This is the picture of pop. Okay. Let us spell again. Poo, O, poo. The word is pop. Good. I'm so proud of you. How about this one here? What is this? Who can tell me? What is this? Hot. Oh, good. Do you know hot? Wow. Do you know? Good. Now let us spell together. O, T. The word is hot. The word is what, children? Hot. This one here is the picture of hot. Okay, children? My beautiful children, this one is the picture of hot. Good. Let us spell together again. O, T. The word is hot. Nirvana, the word is hot. Good girl. How about this one here? This one is the picture of box. Good. This is the picture of box. Good. Now let us spell together. B, O, X. The word is box. The word is what, children? Box. Rivan, can you spell? Okay, start. The word is good boy. The word is box. Okay. How about this one here? What is this? Who can tell me? This one. Good. Jug. Do you know jug? Like this one here is jogging. Okay. This one is the picture of jug. Can we spell together the word jug? J, O, The word is jug. The word is what, children? Jug. Good. I'm so proud of you. And how about this one? Wow. What is this? Log. Say L-O-G. The word is log. The word is what, children? Log. Can we spell it again? L-O-G. The word is log. This one is a picture of log. Okay, children? This is a picture of log. Can we spell it again nicely? L-O-G. The word is log. Good. And how about this one? Mop. Wow. Have you seen the picture of mop? This is the picture of mop. Okay, let us spell the word mop. Okay, children? M-O-P. Again, M-O-P. The word is mop. The word is what, my beautiful children? Mop. Good. Let us spell nicely the word mop. M-O-P. The word is mop. The word is what, children? Mop. Well done. Good job. I'm so proud of you. And I prepared some work for you. Make sure you do it nicely, correctly. You know what? I'm so proud of you. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye.